Oh, yeah, you might want to slow down there, but it might not be.
Slow my roll?
Yeah, a little bit.
Now you can take the moon and the fire.
Yeah.
If you have a setting on there for 10 or 20 seconds, I would set it. That would keep the lens open.
Yeah. You've probably got plenty of space.
I don't know, I'm down to 2.1 gigabytes.
Ooh.
I used to have 4.
Yeah, that's probably your video right there.
How do I check my video?
I don't know.
Oh, videos, there we go. This doesn't have videos.
No, it would be in your camera roll.
Oh, okay. How do I know how big it is?
I don't know if there's a way to check.
I can upload it to Facebook, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, it just says send to YouTube.
Oh, it's probably too big. Is your iCloud? Oh no, you're gonna have to connect it to your computer to get it off of your.
Oh, I've never connected this to my computer.
Oh, but you don't have to do iTunes. You can just, go in and take the like a drive.
Oh, okay. Is that the moon?
Yes.
Wow.
It just came up.
Did it?
Yes.
It wasn't there before.
No, it wasn't. Oh.
It's like a lime green color or something. I'm mesmerized.